Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. You're on board with me in an 11-lap 100cc senior class pre-final in club racing out at Dallas Karting Complex. It was supposed to be 10 laps, but they threw an extra lap in there during the race, I guess just because. So always race to the checkered flag. It's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit right now, and it is extremely hot. And I get a really bad start here. So does Tommy, looks like, but it's a lot better than mine. So going into turn one, we're just going to see kind of what happens. In the lead is Martin, who is a national level driver. Right in front of me is Tommy, and right in front of him is Miguel, who is also another national level driver. So we expect them to do really well in this race. I'm going to try to stay on Tommy's bumper if I can catch him and work with him a little bit in the race. But again, it's a really short race. I think they shortened it because of the temperatures. So we don't have a lot of time there. Now watch up ahead. You see that cart go down to the bottom and then go back up to the top. He got penalized for that. That's considered blocking. If you go down to the bottom, you got to stay there entering turn one. That is Ben in cart 10 that did that. Now he didn't know the rule. He's a brand new karter and didn't know that was the rule, and unfortunately found out after the race that that was a rule, but he did get penalized. I didn't go to last month's race, so I haven't really driven my kart any. And I had a little trouble here in turn one during some portions. Like the kart would just kind of slide up the track. I was carrying too much speed into the corner. Wasn't really dialed in with my brakes. Wasn't braking enough sometimes. All right, you see Ben take a defensive position there. Tommy's going to go to the outside. Let's see what happens. A little high there. Again, I messed up on the braking. I know it'll make the pass. I was looking at the, I think I was looking at the rumble strip to see my braking zone. I just kind of missed it. And I was trying to keep them in my peripheral and just kind of missed my braking zone there. And carried too much speed and ran up the track. I need to catch up. I'm a little too far back. All right, we see Tommy go inside. Now they're swapped from the lap before. Let's see what happens. I should be able to catch up at minimum here, but let's see what we can do. Slides out. I back off right there. You can hear it in the throttle. And that creates an opportunity for the driver behind me. Look to the inside there. You see him barely down there. I caught a glimpse of him. Did not want to turn down on him because I thought if I did, we would make contact and I'd probably get the worst end of it. So I left the door open to avoid contact. Give him some room, and unfortunately, you see what happens. I pay for it on the track. The two drivers ahead of me pull away to a pretty good margin. If they can fight with each other, I may be able to catch up. All right, I'm unable to make up any ground here. Gonna keep working hard though. Race is gonna wrap up here pretty soon. The laps are around 30.5 seconds to 31 seconds per lap, roughly. All right, so spoiler alert, I am not gonna catch them, but I am here to entertain. So check out this video of when I had my shifter kart at this same track. I launch it. I get it at the start of the straightaway from a dead stop, take off as fast as I can and bring the kart to a stop as fast as I can. Pay attention to how fast it accelerates and decelerates, and also pay attention to the G-force meter. It's pretty neat how fast those karts are. Shifter karts are no joke. I sold it some point last year, I think it was, and I do miss it, but I don't miss the expense of having one. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of it.